After my last video where I tried to recreate the Commodore 64 one-line maze program, I used the video memory which I was poking, and I've gone and considered what I did, and now I'm going to recreate the Commodore 64 one-line maze program more faithfully by using print. So we're powering up our Superboard II. We're doing a cold, we're not reserving any memory. For our terminal width, we're actually entering 23. Okay, and now we're going to enter in our code. Okay, and we shall then, okay, this won't take too long. Okay, it's going to be a bit cleaner. Okay, plus, let's really rub out. Shift, okay. I will list this out so you can get a better look at the code. Okay, and then loop back to the beginning of the line using a go-to. Okay, we're just going to list this. There's some key bounce going on. Okay, and then you can see the actual code. Okay, let's run it. Okay, and this is using print, and by setting the terminal width to 23, we're not getting blank lines. And you'll see this is a much more faithful recreation of the original C64 one-line basic maze. Okay, that's pretty cool, and I'll catch you next time. Okay, bye.